Just as important is blood to your body, do you know what is important for your business? It's the cash flow. Just as blood flows through your organs and keep them going for years and years, similarly, cash flow goes through all your departments in business and keeps your business going for years and years. But how do you get the cash flow? There's only one way, and that is through sales. It could be recurring sales or new sales, but you need that sales to keep the cash flowing into your business. Hi, my name is Suresh Vansharamani. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I started my career with a job of 300 rupees, and my first company came out with the most successful IPO, got listed at Bombay Stock Exchange, which was oversubscribed 300 times, and I was awarded by President of India in 1995 for my garment export company. In my life, I have had many successes and failures too. As all the successful entrepreneurs do, they learn from their failures and mistakes. I learn from my failures and mistakes, and that's what I teach all my students, my tajurba. Now, if you are someone, an entrepreneur, and you are struggling with sales, this page and this bundle of 6 courses is for you. And that's not all. I have got 3 more courses as bonuses if you buy this bundle right now. Now let me explain what these courses are about. Number 1 is Sales Mastery, an immediate increase in your sales volume. This is coming to you as part of this bundle. You are going to learn how to take the fear out of selling, how to close the sales, how to get into the head of potential customers, how to prepare, do your homework before the selling. Number 2 is closing your sales using simple NLP techniques. Coming to you as part of this bundle. You are going to learn simple NLP technique, the art of persuasion, how to create influence, how to close sales, how to build instant rapport with any client, how to deal with objections. Number 3 is high ticket closing, simple technique to you as part of this bundle. You are going to learn simple techniques of high ticket closing, how to understand client's problem and offer right solution so that clients want to buy from you, how to ask the right question, improve your communication skill, the complete framework of high ticket sales closer question. Amazing learnings there. Number 4 is relational selling, which is also called consultative selling, to you as part of this bundle. You are going to learn the necessary behavior to become a consultant instead of salesperson. When you consult, the real sales happens. Consulting is selling in the spirit of service. You are co-creating the solution with the client. How to build that trust. All of this you are going to learn in this course. Number 5, selling through webinars. Coming to you as part of this bundle. In this course, you are going to learn how to market yourself. Even if you are a consultant, service provider, or you have a product, or you are a coach or a trainer, how to design your course, how to choose the right platform, how to structure your webinar, how to sell your product or upsell your product. All this science you are going to learn in this webinar selling course. Very, very high value course. Number 6, no cost marketing, like my all other courses. This coming to you as part of this bundle. You are going to learn how to have continuous pipeline of leads and business without spending any money on marketing. I have earned over rupees 70 lakh using these strategies, and I'm going to share with you all of those strategies. How to do your own PR, how to get that free press coverage, media coverage, television coverage. All these things. Some amazing strategies you are going to learn in this course. Now let's talk about bonuses. I'm giving you 3 bonuses. So that means this whole bundle is not 6 courses, 9 courses. Number 1 bonus is bulletproof your business. Again, like my all other courses, valued at rupees 11,000 rupees, coming to you absolutely free as a bonus along with my bundle. You are going to learn in this course how to make a business plan, how to understand the concept of cash flow, how to understand gross profit, net profit, lifetime value of customers, unit metrics, all those terms. It's an MBA in a box. How to sail through recession and recession-proof your business. All these strategies to scale up your business. The business fundamental, the basics of business. Everything covered in this Bulletproof Your Business. Bonus number 2, write, market, publish your own book, become Amazon bestseller author and earn passive income. This course is valued at 11,000 rupees, coming to you absolutely free as a bonus with my bundle. You are going to learn how to write your book in 90 days. As a group, many of my students have finished their book in 90 days. How to create your authority, your personal brand, your respect in front of your clients. Project yourself as an influencer and then earn passive income selling through Amazon Kindle. All these learnings come to you. All these learnings come to you in this course. Within 90 days, you'll be a best-selling author. How cool is that? Bonus number 3, all the schemes for MSME businesses by Government of India. You are going to learn all the government schemes available for the MSME businesses, especially during this pandemic in these difficult times. How to get that finance, how to get that interest-free loan, how to get that marketing assistance for your exhibitions, for your travel. All the schemes are listed in this course. It's a one solution for all your knowledge about government schemes available for MSME businesses. My question to you is, are you satisfied with your business sales and profit growth? Or if you are running in losses, your business is not growing? What happens if your business is not growing or you're suffering from losses? Stress, depression. It affects your social status, your health, and even your relationships. I understand that. We have personally gone through those problems. In the year 2001, we suffered massive losses. We had to sell our bungalow to pay off the bank. We had to sell our factories to pay off the creditors. Very, very tough time. We had to rebuild our life and businesses again. But how many of you agree that bounce back is always stronger than the first time? You don't have to go through all this. You don't have to spend years to rebuild or, grow your business. You have a choice. You have a shortcut. You have 2 choices. Waste few more years to struggle and learn, or buy this bundle of 6 courses along with 3 bonuses, total 9 courses, and take your life to the next level. These are very strong business and sales strategies. You get the lifetime access to these courses. Watch with your family, with your children, with your wife. The family which learns together grows together. Click below to buy now. It's a very, very special price for a very limited time. The price is going to go up very soon. I assure you, this is going to change your life.